So we did all the shit that we could do with that damn tire. Smacked it, flipped it, rubbed it down, put the patch in it, and went out, started working this morning, got flat again. So we decided to call the professionals down here in Clewiston. 7 days a damn week, Gator Tire Center, Clewiston, Florida. As you can tell, these boys fix flats. We're about to show you what they do. Stand by. Put that damn patch and a plug in this sumbitch. Yeah, you got the big tool, son. Prison shank is what that sumbitch is. Putting the damn goop on that. That shit don't stop it, nothing will. Much better than yesterday. We didn't have to blow it up with the Scoutmaster's lighting fluid. Y'all are gonna love this. When you need a little professional support, they break out the tire cannon. Look at that fine piece of equipment right there. Check out this shit. Bam! Yahtzee!